Hey guys, welcome to MathTech. Today we'll be learning how to mark as unread on Telegram, and now let's dive right in. Now to mark as unread on Telegram a message which you had read it on the past. So let's open up the Telegram app first, and you can see guys on this chat box section there are a lot of messages which I have already read. And so in order to mark them as unread on Telegram, tap and hold on the message which you want to mark as unread, and at the top right corner of the screen, after the green tick mark appears on the profile picture at the left side, tap on the three dotted icon at the top right corner, and you will find the mark as unread option available for us over here just below the archive. Tap on mark as unread and that message will be unread. So you can do that to any message which you have read in the past. So let's tap and hold on the Telegram notification message and tap on the three dotted icon at the top right corner, and you can see guys the mark as unread button is available. Tap on it and it will be marked as unread on Telegram. And with that being said guys, this is how to mark as unread on Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding a topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.